I chose Zurich for many reasons, really. First of all, my twin sister, she's studied here. But then also I thought, I'm looking for a more challenging master's program, not just any master's program within Europe, but I'm looking for one which really fits my needs or which really fits my interests, and that's banking and finance. You don't see this combination very much in Europe, and you don't see this kind of challenging and very demanding master's program throughout Europe. Of course, it is a lot of work and it is very time demanding, but then I also know the reputation of this university is extremely good. So these are some kind of factors. The third factor is the financial importance of Zurich. It's just not any city. It's the cosmopolitan, metropolitan financial center. Then you have the faculties themselves, and they have all you need, really. They have the computers, they have the research databases, they have all the facilities that you need to make your studying a success if you really work on it, of course. What would be very disturbing within your studies if you didn't have this direct availability, if you had to maybe wait in line to get the information, or if you had to subscribe yourself to certain databases. But the definite advantage here in Zurich is that at one click, you have all the information you need. I especially work with a system that's called OLAT, and I know other universities use it as well, but I feel like the emphasis in Zurich is definitely put on this system. Or, on the other hand, there's this great thing that students can make use of. It's the podcast learning. And this is a great connection, really, between the latest technology and getting students to learn these maybe drier contents. The proximity between the banks, all the financial institutions and the university is extremely high, because you have the guest lecturers who will come maybe on a weekly basis, who are in very close contact even with the lecturers and the professors, and you often feel like they're even friends and they know each other from before that. There's this constant interaction between the financial world here in Zurich that's taking place right outside, really, maybe a couple of hundred meters away from the university, and what's going on in the lecture room inside. So it's kind of this circle which is closing, and it all makes sense. It makes sense to study here because you have the direct reward, really, just outside the door.